morning children. Today we are going to solve the remaining problems in exercise 2.5 based on linear equation in one variable. Okay, so first, what is the linear equation? The linear equation is the degree of the equation is 1. If the degree of the given algebraic equation is 1, then the equation is said to be a linear equation. Yes. What is the linear equation in one variable? If the equation has only one variable, okay. So for example, if x is the equation gets the variable x only, or y is y only, that is called linear equation in one variable. And what about the solution of the linear equation? The linear equation has only one solution. If you plot the linear equation in the graph, we will get a straight line graph. Okay, this is all we have learned about the linear equation in one variable. Today we are going to complete the fifth exercise and sixth exercise. So after completing this exercise, we are going to complete the whole chapter linear equation in one variable. Okay, see exercise 2.5. Okay, simplify and solve. We have solved some problems in exercise 2.5 in our previous class. The same type only, but here the equation is given in a different form. We have to simplify the equation and we have to solve and find the value of the variable. See how. The first problem, 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. The equation is given in this form. Okay. See here, 3 into the operation 3 is multiplied by t minus 3. Also 5 into 2t plus 1. Okay. So we can't directly take the variable to one side of the equation and numbers to the other side of the equation and we can solve. First see the operation, it is a multiplication. So we have to multiply the value and then only we have to separate or put the variables and the numbers. See the first problem, 3 into t minus 3. So what we have to do? 3 is under multiplication. 3 of, what is bracket means? The operation there is multiplication. So 3 into t, that is 3t minus, the 3 should be multiplied to both the variables. So 3 3s are 9. Likewise, you have to multiply 5 to both the variables inside the bracket. Okay, see both the terms 2t plus 1. 5 should be multiplied with both the terms inside the bracket. So which is equal to 5 into 2t, that is 5 2s are 10t, and the operation plus 5 into 1 is 5. Okay, so the first step is here. See, we can't take the variable directly to one side of the equation. Here 3 should be multiplied to t minus 3. So 3 should be multiplied to each term inside the bracket. So 3 into t, 3t, 3 3s are 9. 5 into 2, 10t, 1 into 5 is 5. Now see the variables. Now we know that we have to put the equation to one side of the equation. How to do it? See, if I am taking 3t to the next side of the equation, 5 to the next side of the equation. See, plus 5. If it comes here, it is minus 5. Plus means if it goes to the next side of the equation, it is minus. Other side is minus 5. Already here the number is minus 9. Is equal to 10t plus 3t. If it comes down, it is minus 3t. Okay, so t, I am taking the variable terms t to the right hand side of the equation and the numbers to the left hand side of the equation. See, what is minus? Minus. Same sign means you have to add it, put the same sign. So, minus 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. The sign is minus. So, minus 14 is equal to, see, 10t minus 3t. You have to subtract the coefficients. What is the value of 10 minus 3? It is 17. But what we have to find here? Only the value of t. So keep t minus 14 by 7. 17 is 7 is multiplied with t. So if it goes to the next side of the equation, it comes under division. So only we are taking t is equal to minus 14 by 7. So t is equal to minus 2. How it is minus 2? Because 1 7 is 7. It is able to simplify by 7. 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14 and it is minus 2. Okay, so the final value of t is equal to minus 2. Are you clear? Yeah. Look at the next problem. The same way only. We have to find the value of variable. Before that, we have to simplify the equation. How to simplify the equation? So multiply the given numbers to each terms. Okay, we have to multiply the given terms to given numbers to each term. Then we can simplify the equation. So multiply that 15 into y. So 15 have to multiply with both the terms inside the bracket. So 15 into y, 15y minus 15 into 4. What is the value of 15 into 4? It is 60. Okay, next. Minus. Here it is under the operation minus. So along with the sign you have to multiply inside the bracket. So minus 2 into y minus 2y. Minus into minus will become plus. 9 2s are 18. See, minus 2y minus into minus will become plus. So 9 2s are 18. The next number 5. So 5y, 5 2y, 5y plus 6 5s are 30, which is equal to 0. The RHS, the equation is equal to 0. So 15y minus 60 minus 2y minus into minus plus 9 2s are 18. 5y 6 5s are 30 equal to 0. Now group the variables. It is easy to simplify. If you group the variables, it is able to add or subtract the variables. So what are the variables here? 15y here minus 2y also plus 5y. See, 15y minus 2y just 5y. I am not solving, just rearranging the equation. Okay, first I am writing the variables and then the numbers. So what are the numbers? Minus 60 and here it is plus 18 plus 30 equal to 0. So now without confusion we can subtract the variables or add the variables and the numbers. See, here 15y. So if you are adding both, 15 plus 5, 20. 15y plus 5y is 20y. So 20y minus 2y. Okay. And other words you can do as 15y minus 2y. You can subtract and then also you can add 5y. Okay. So in both the way you can subtract the variables. So 20y minus 2y. See now minus 60. Just add this 2. So plus 48 is equal to 0. Now 20y minus 2y. Subtract the coefficient. 20 minus 2. What is the value? It is 18y. 20 minus y is, 20 minus 2 is 18y. And here minus 16 plus 48. So minus plus means you have to subtract. Subtract and put the greater number sign. What is the greater number sign here? Minus. So minus. If you subtract 48 from 60, what is the value? 12 is equal to 0. What is our work here? We have to find the value of y. So we can take it as 18y is equal to minus 12. If it goes to the next side of the equation, it is plus 12. So y is equal to 12 by 18. Because 18 is here under multiplication, if it goes that side, it comes under division. See, 12 by 18. It is possible to simplify the value is by 6. See, 2 6 are 12 and 3 6 are 18. So it is able to simplify by 6. Okay. So the final value of y is 2 by 3. Problem 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Okay. So first be clear with the question. Okay. So here 5z minus 7 should be multiplied with 3. Here minus 2 should be multiplied with 9z minus 11. 4 into 8z minus 13. Minus 7 is given subtracted. Okay. So the multiplication operation, first we have to do the multiplication operation. Then we have to separate the variables and numbers and we have to solve and find the value of variable. See how to multiply. First 3. If you multiply 3, 5 3s are 15 is that. We know that 3 should be multiplied with both the terms inside the bracket. So 5 3s are 15 is that minus 7 3s are 21. First finish. Now second, minus 2 of 9z minus 11. Minus 2 of 9z. So minus 2 should be multiplied with both the terms inside the bracket. So minus 9 2s are 18 is minus into minus will become So here, next side of the equation, right hand side of the equation, 4 into 8 is z. So 8 4s are 32 is minus 4 into 13. What is the product of 4 into 13? It is 52. Isn't it? 4 3s are 12. Remaining 1. So it is 52 minus 17. See, first we have removed all the brackets given in the question by multiplying the given number. Okay. After removing the bracket, what we have to do? We have to group the variables and number to one side of the equation. How? See. First, 15 is minus 18 is. See, in the left hand side itself, first I am rearranging as first the variables, next the numbers. It is easy to solve. Okay, you can directly subtract or add the variables if it is nearby. So see, 5 is minus 18 is here it is minus 21 plus 22 is equal to here only 1, 32 is the term with variable. The other thing, what about minus 52 minus 17? Minus means we have to add the numbers and put the same sign. So what is the sign here? Minus. What is the value of 52 plus 17? So see, 9, 69. It is 69. 52 plus 17 plus 69. Now, 15 is it? Minus 18 is it? 15 minus 18 it is minus 3 is it? Minus plus, the numbers minus plus plus opposite sign means you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. If you subtract both 22 and 21, what is the value? 1. And greater number sign is plus. So, plus 1 is equal to here 32 is minus 69. Now see, here is a variable, here is just we are going to rearrange to one side of the equation the variables, the numbers to the other side of the equation. How we can do that? Shall we take minus 69 to this side? So 1 plus 69 is equal to 32 is z. What about minus 3 z? If it moves to the next side of the equation it is plus 3 is z. Now what is 1 plus 69? It is 70. 32 plus 3 is 35 is z. So what is the value of z? You can find that easily. How? So 70 by 35 because 35 is here under the operation multiplication. So if it comes here it is under division. Okay. So it comes under division. So 70 by 35. It's possible to simplify. Is 1 times and 2 times. We know that 2 times of 35 is 70. So z is equal to 2. So finally we simplified the equation and we got the variable answer z is equal to 2. Now the next problem, 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Here the variable is f. We have to find the value of f. After simplifying, we have to find the value of f. Don't think that the question is in decimal, it is too difficult, nothing like that. Just whatever the previous problem how we did it, the same procedure if we follow, we can find the value of f. See the first, what you have to do? We have to remove the brackets. So that first what you have to do, if you want to remove the brackets, we have to multiply this term inside the bracket. So 0.25 into 4f multiplied with the first term minus 3 into 0.25 with the second term. Here also 0.05 into the first term is 10f minus 9 into 0.05. Okay, so now we are going to multiply. First 0.25 into 4. If you multiply 0.25 into 4, the value of going to get is 1.00. 1.00 means the value is simply you have to take the standard form as 1. So 1f. Okay, if you multiply 1.00, so the standard form if you take it is 1f minus 3 into 0.25. What is 3 into 25? It is 75. How many decimals? 2 decimals. So 0.75. 0.05 into 10. If you multiply by 10, what will happen? The decimal will move to the right hand side. Okay, the decimal move one place to the right hand side. So it is 0.5f. So 0.05 into 10 is equal to 0.5 into f. And minus 9 5s are 45. How 4, 5. Okay, now we have removed all the brackets, and now what we have to do? We have to group the variable f. What is the variable here? F. The terms of f to one side of the equation and another to the other side of the equation. So how to group it? 1f, and here it is plus, so it is minus 0.5 f is equal to 0.75. Here it is minus, so plus 0.75. Already 0.45 exists there only, so keep as it is minus 0.45. Now 1 minus 0.5. How we subtract 1 minus 0.5? So 1.0 minus 0.5. If you subtract, here it is 5 and 0. If you borrow, it is 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Here it is 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. So the finally 0.5 f. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 f is equal to 0.75 minus 0.45. If we subtract 0.45 from 0.75, what is the value? 0.30. Okay, so now 0.5f is equal to, we can get it as 0.3. The standard form as 0.3. So what is the value of f? F is equal to 0.3 by 0.5. Okay, so it is only one decimal. Both numerator and denominator has only one decimal. So if you want to remove the decimal and dividend, just multiply and divide by 10, because both the numerator and denominator has one decimal only. So if you multiply and divide by 10, the decimal will be removed. So if you multiply by 10, it will become 3. Here, if you multiply by 10, okay, the decimal will be removed. So the answer is 5. What is the answer for 3 divided by 5? So if you are dividing 3 by 5, that is a smaller number. So put the decimal point and then put 0. 6 5s are 30. So what? If 3 is divided by 5, the answer is 0.6. So finally, after simplifying this equation, we got the value of variable f is equal to 0.6. So now we are going to see the next exercise 2.6. Okay, here we are going to reduce the given equation to the linear equation, and we are going to find the value. Okay, first the given equation we are going to reduce and going to form a linear equation. Then we are going to find the value of the variable. In the first problem, 8x minus 3 by 3x is equal to 2. Okay, see how to solve 8x minus 3. Okay, is equal to 2 into 3x, because I am going to take the number in the left hand side in the denominator. If you go to the right hand side of the equation, it will be multiplied. Okay, because here it is under division. If it goes to the right hand side of the equation, it is multiplied. So it is 3x. Okay, so 8x minus 3 is equal to 3 into 2, it is 6x. Now, after this, we know that how we can solve and find the value of x. We are going to group the value of x to one side of the equation. Yes? So, 8x plus 6x comes here, it is minus 6x is equal to 3. What is 8 minus 6x? It is 2x is equal to 3. So, x is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so nothing new in this exercise. Okay, the question is given in some format, maybe division or multiplication. We have to reduce to the linear equation as a linear equation. And if you solve in the own way, what we have solved in the previous exercise, we can get the value of the variable. The next question, 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. So see, 9x. If I want the equation in the numerator, I have to multiply this to the next term. So 15 into 7 minus 6x. Here, either you can multiply 15 to the inside the bracket. Otherwise, we can take 15 to the next side of the equation. We can simplify the value and then we can multiply. In both the way, we can solve. If 15 into 7 is 105. 15 into 6 is 90. So 105 minus 98. We can solve in that way. The next way, see here, 9x. I am taking 15 here. It is under multiplication now here. If it is under multiplication, it comes here, it is under division. Is equal to 7 minus 6x. Shall we simplify this using 3 by 3? 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. So it is 3x by 5 is equal to 7 minus 6x. So multiply by 5. 3x is equal to, multiply by 5. 5 into 7 minus 6x. So 3x is equal to 35 minus 30x. How? 7 5s are 35, 6 5s are 30. So 3x is equal to 35 minus 30x. Now take the variables to one side of the equation. The term having variables to one side of the equation. So 3x minus 30x, it comes here as plus 30x is equal to, the only number is 35. What about 30 plus 3x? 30x plus 3x. 33x is equal to 35. So what about the value of x? X is equal to 35 by 33. See, x is equal to, here this multiplication comes here, it is under division. So x is equal to 35 by 33. Here 35 and 33 we can't be able to simplify. See what the procedure we use here. We take 15 to the next side of the equation. If you multiply also you are going to get the same value only. But the problem includes some different calculation. Okay, so it will become 105 minus 90x. The same way you can do x and the number to the other side. The final answer should be simplified. If you simplify, surely in that way also the answer will be x is equal to 35 by 33. Now the next problem, 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Here the question both the sides we are having in the form of fraction. To get the answer as an equation, so we are going to simplify and we are going to get it as a linear equation. To simplify that, just we are going to do the multiplication. Okay, just cross multiplication. Okay, so here 5 should be multiplied with the numerator of the left hand side and here it should be multiplied with the numerator of right hand side. Okay, so see, to make it as a linear equation, if you multiply and get all the values in the numerator only, we can form an equation. So see how to do that. 5 into 3y plus 4. 5 into the whole term 3y plus 4 is equal to, what is here? Minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. Just we have cross multiplied the equation. Okay, see, 5 should be multiplied by 3y plus 4 and minus 2 should be multiplied with 2 minus 6y. Now we know that how to do the problem. Just first we have to remove the brackets by multiplying the term inside the bracket. So 5 should be multiplied with both the terms. 5 3s are 15y. 5 into 4, it is 20. 5 4s are 20. Is equal to minus 2 should be multiplied with both the terms. So minus 2 into 2, minus 4 and minus into minus. If multiplying is careful with the sign. Minus into minus will become plus. 6 2s are 12 1. Yes. Now what is the next step we have to do? We have to group the variables to one side of the equation and numbers to the other side of the equation. Group the variables. What are the variables? We have 15y and 12y. Shall we take 15y put here, 12y. If it here comes here, it is minus 12y. What about the number? Minus 4 exists here itself. So minus 4 plus 20 comes here, it is minus 20. Plus here comes here, it is minus 20. Isn't it? Plus here moves to the next side of the equation, it is minus 20. Now subtract the 15y minus 12y. What is 15 minus 12? It is 3y. 15 minus 12 is 3y is equal to minus minus. Both minuses you have to add the terms and put the same sum. So minus minus means you have to add the numbers. 20 plus 4, 24. What is the sign in both the terms? Number minus. So minus 24. So we got y is equal to minus 24 by 3. We need only the value of y. So y is equal to, if t is here under multiplication, if it goes here under division. So y is equal to minus 24 by 3. So finally what is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 8. How? If you simplify by 3, 8 3s are 24. And we are minus, so y is equal to minus 8. So if you got the question in the division formulas, just cross multiply the terms and you will be getting the linear equation. Then you can solve and find the value of the variable. See here. here the next problem. 7y plus 4 by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, same like the previous problem model. Okay, see here we are getting the division form. Fraction, here also it is in fraction. If you want to frame as a linear equation is, just we have to cross multiply the terms. So if we cross multiply the terms, 3 into 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. Is next what we have to do? We have to remove the brackets and we have to simplify the linear equation. So how to remove the brackets? We have to multiply 3 to the 2 terms inside the bracket and minus 4 to the 2 terms inside the bracket. So if you want to remove any common multiply outside the bracket, you have to multiply the number with all the terms. If 2 terms is 2 terms, 3 terms is with all the 3 terms inside the bracket. Okay. Now multiply this 7 3s are 21y, 7 into 3 21y, and 4 3s are 12. 7 into 3 21y, 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus 4y. Along with the sign multiply that. Minus 4y, minus into plus, it is minus 4 2s are 3. Okay, so while multiplying or adding or subtracting, be careful with the sign. If opposite signs are given, we have to think once and then do the calculation. If your multiplication, so minus into plus, it is minus and 4 2s are 8. Now what we have to do? We have to put the terms to one side of the equation and numbers to the other side of the equation. Let us put the terms to the left hand side of the equation. So with minus 4y, here minus 4y comes here, it is plus 4y. So 21y plus 4y. 21y, if comes minus 4y comes here, it is plus 4y is equal to, already minus 8 is in the right hand side, minus plus 12 comes here, it is minus 12. We are putting y terms to the left hand side of the equation and the numbers to the right hand side of the equation. So that we got 21y plus 4y is equal to minus 8 and minus 12. What is the value of 21 plus 4? It is 25. What about here? Minus minus. Minus, both the number have minus symbol. Subtraction symbol means we have to add the terms. Minus minus means we have to add the numbers and put the same sign. So add the numbers. What is 12 plus 8? It is 20. What about the sign? Minus. Adding the terms, adding the numbers and putting the same sign. So 25y is equal to minus 20. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 20 by 25. Y, here 25, I want only the value of y. We need only the value of y. 25 is written under multiplication. It goes to the next side of the equation, it comes under division. So y is equal to minus 20 by 25. Minus 20 by 25. Is it possible to simplify by any common number? Yes. What is the number? It can be simplified by 5. So if simplified by 5, what is the answer? 4 5s are 20. So 4 5s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So if you simplify by 4, 4 5s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. That is minus 4 by 5. Finally, we got the value of y is equal to minus 4 by 5. See the next problem in 6th exercise. The previous problem we have given an equation and we have simplified the equation in the form of linear equation and we found the solution for the variable. Here also we have to find the linear equation, but the question is given in the form of statement. Okay, they have given how we have to create an equation. It is given in the form of statement. Using the given condition in the question, first we have to form the linear equation, then we have to find the required thing in the question. So see, already we have solved the statement problems in exercise and in exercise at all using linear equation one variable. Same method only here a little bit different. Okay, see the ages of Harry and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. What is given in the question? The ages of Harry and Harry. Now at present their ages are in the ratio 5:7. We know that if the ages are given in the ratio or whatever the calculation is given by given condition in the question, the ratio of their ages after 4 years. So Harry and Harry, if we are taking their ages in ratio after 4 years, how we can take 5x plus 4. After 4 years, Harry will be 5x plus 4 by Harry. That is 7x plus 4. So we have taken the ages of Harry and Harry in ratio after 4 years, which will be equal to 3 by 4. 3 is to 4 months, we can take it as 3 by 4. See, now 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so we got some equation here. We have to simplify this equation as linear equation and we have to find the value of x. If we got the value of x means we can find the present age of Harry and Harry. So how to simplify this? We have to cross multiply the values. Okay, normally we did the problem now, the previous problem, just cross multiply the values. So 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. So multiply 4, we have to remove the bracket, so multiply 4 to both the terms inside the bracket. So 5 4s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 7 3s are 21x plus 4 3s are 12. See, just multiplying 4 with the next two terms inside the bracket. So 5 4s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 7 3s are 21 and 3 4s are 12. Now put the terms with variable and numbers to one side of the equation. So 20x, if minus plus 21x comes here, it is minus 21x is equal to already 12 is there. If 16 goes there, it is minus 16. So 20 minus 21 plus minus means we have to subtract the terms. So it is 1x and the greater number sign is minus. So minus 1x is equal to whatever 12 minus 16, it is minus 4. See, plus minus means we have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So 16 minus 12 is 4 and the greater number sign is minus, so minus 4. So minus and minus will take cancel and 1x is literally it means as x. So x is equal to 4. So what's the value of x here? X is equal to 4. But what is the question here? Okay, we solved the equation that we got the value of x is equal to 4. But what is the question? Find their present age. We have to find the present age of Harry and Harry. So present age of Harry. How we can find the present age of Harry? So using the clue given in the question, we have already kept a general age for Harry. What it is? Present age of Harry is 5x years. So Harry is equal to 5 into 4, which is equal to 20 years. So the present age of Harry is 20 years. What about Harry's age? So the present age of Harry is equal to 7 into x, that is 7 into 4. So his age is 28 years. So we got, by given information in the question, we found a linear equation and we solved it and we got the value of x. Using x, we got the present age of Harry and Harry. That is, Harry is 20 years and Harry is 28 years. See the last part of this exercise. Again, what we have to frame the equation is given in the form of statement and you see some condition. Okay, how to read clearly the question and how to, based on the condition given in the question, we have to form a linear equation. Then we have to find the needed value asked in the question. What is the question here? The denominator of a rational number. What is the rational number? A rational number is in the form of p by q. The rational number is in the form of fraction. So there will be a by given condition in the question. If the numerator is increased by 17, the numerator is increased by 17. Increased by 17 means what we have to do? We have to add 17 to the numerator. We have to add 17 to the numerator. So here the numerator is x. Increased by 17 means we have to add 17 to the numerator. But what about the denominator? And the denominator is decreased by 1. And the denominator is decreased by 1. Denominator is decreased by 1 means what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from the denominator. What is the denominator here? X plus 8. So we have to subtract x plus 8 minus 1. Okay. So be clear how we found this condition. Second condition given in the question is if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. So we are in the numerator we are adding plus 17 and in the denominator we are decreasing 1, that is subtracting 1. Then the number obtained is equal to 3 by 2. If we do this for both the numerator and denominator, the number we obtain is will be equal to 3 by 2. Okay. See, now we got the equation form. Before that, simplify this. X plus 17 by x plus what is 8 minus 1? That is 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Now we have already solved the problems based on this. In the same model we solve the problems. What we have to do now to find the value of x? We have to do the cross multiplication. Cross multiply the value. So 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. Isn't it? 2 into x plus 17, 3 into x plus 7. Multiply the value. 2x plus 17 into 2 is 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. The same way only. Multiply 2 with both the terms inside the bracket. So 2x 17 into 34. 3x 7 is 21. Now put the terms. Shall we take x to the right hand side of the equation so that we got 34 minus 21 is equal to 3x minus 2x. See, 34 here one into here. 21 comes to the right side of the equation is minus 21. Take the variables to the right hand side of the equation. So 3x already exists there. Keep that. Plus 2x comes minus 2x. So now what is 34 minus 21? It is 30. See, 34 minus 21, the value is 30 is equal to 3x minus 2x, it is 1x. 3x minus 2x, it is 1x. So just we can do x. So we got x is equal to 30. So, but what is the question we have to find? We have to find the rational number, not the value of x here. We solve not the value of x, but we have to find what is the rational number. So we get the general form of the rational number as we have assigned some numerator and denominator according to the condition given in the question, and we get in general the rational number is in the form of x by x plus 8. So the rational number is equal to x by x plus 8. So 13 by 13 plus 8. So what is the value? 13 by 21. So the value, the rational number what we have given in the question is 13 by 21. So after this we have completed the second chapter. Okay, only 6 exercises are there. We have solved all the exercise problems. So we have completed our second chapter linear equation in one variable. So based